Hi guys, this is Umu and welcome back to Kadi Recipes. In this video, I'm going to share with you my recipe for a homemade bouillon cubes. This one is even better than Maggi Cubes, so I'm sure you will love it. Give me a thumbs up now and let's get started. So I have here some beef bones, which is the secret for this recipe. You really need to have some bones for this recipe. I'm going to heat some oil and brown my bones to give them a smoky taste. You can even do this in the oven if you like, but I prefer to use a pan. Once the bones are brown, transfer it in a pot and cover with lot of water. Cause we are going to let this boil for at least 3 hours. Some days I even let this boil for 8 hours. You will need to add some water occasionally when needed. To that, I will also add some shallots. If you don't have that, don't use it, just add some onions. I will also add few garlic and some fresh ginger. For the spices, I will add paprika, curry powder, black pepper and dry herbs. I will also add a few onions and a little bit of salt. Cover the pot and let this boil for 3 to 5 hours. You will need to check occasionally. In a blender, add some onions, and if you have some shallots, add that too. Then add some garlic and add a cup of water and blend this until smooth. Now add some parsley and blend. We'll also add some basil leaf. Add in some green onions too and blend well. The last ingredient to add is some green bell pepper. You can also add 1 carrot if you like it to be a little sweet. Blend everything well together and set aside. If you are loving my recipes and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it now for more delicious African recipes. In a pan, add a little bit of oil and some of the onion mixture. I won't add a lot because I have a little bouillon. Saute this for a minute and then add in the bouillon. We are going to add our spices. I will always use some paprika, ground ginger, curry powder. I will also add some black pepper and some herbs. Mix this well together. Let this cook on medium heat until the liquid is almost absorbed. So this is a bouillon cube. It has to have some salt. So I'm going to add some salt and mix well. You have to cook this until there is no liquid left in the pan. Then transfer it in a bowl and let it cool down a bit. If you want to have small cubes, add in the ice tray and keep in the fridge for at least 12 hours. The second option is to add it in a baking sheet and keep in the fridge for at least 12 hours. Then cut it into medium cubes. Guys, you can add this in all your cooking. It will taste so good, I promise. If you love the recipe, don't forget to rate it before you go. See you in my next video. Bye.